Oh, thanks for being with me. Today we have a rate announcement with the Bank of Canada for July the 15th, 2020. There's the first one where the new governor of the Bank of Canada, this is his first rate announcement for Tiff Macklem. And him and the senior deputy, they had a media scrum where they answered questions, and I watched all of that to see their interaction with the media. I also read the news release on this particular rate announcement. So you'll notice the Bank of Canada, of course, they do 8 rate announcements a year. We have 3 more. The next one is September the 9th. So if you want an update on that, please subscribe to this channel. Click the bell for notifications, and it'd be great to have you part of our community here. So what they decided is they decided to maintain the rate. The overnight lending rate is 0.25, and that's where it's at. It's been there for a little while. There's a history of just 2020, their rate announcements. So you'll see in January, at the beginning of the year, it was 1.75, the overnight lending rate. And then, of course, in the month of March, we really started getting into the major concern over this pandemic and the economy, the impact on the economy. So what they did is they had 3 rate announcements. One was scheduled, and you see here 2 are unscheduled. So technically, instead of there being 8 announcements this year, there's actually going to be 10 because 2 of them were unscheduled. And each one of these 3 in the month of March, they decreased by 0.5%. And they've been pretty happy with where it's at. I anticipate that it's going to maintain at 2.5 for a very, very long time. In fact, what they said over and over again in the media scrum, as they said, that interest rates are going to be low for a long time, so an extended period of time. And he wasn't talking months, he was more talking years. And if we look at several years, 2, 3, 4 years, something like that time frame. So if you have a line of credit, you have a variable rate mortgage, you'll probably be pretty happy with that, and hopefully that'll help you through this. The concept here is that people aren't overburdened, but also it has a way of stimulating the economy because it makes it easier for more people to borrow for purposes of investments or purchases and things like that that drive GDP within the economy. So these are the next rate announcements, September the 9th. Please subscribe. One of the things I will leave with this, the Bank of Canada said, and they said this a few times, if you say, he's anticipating a quick rebound, like a bounce back, a quick one within the economy, but then fairly long and slow recovery. So we're looking at a long, slow recovery, bit of a quick bounce back, as people get back to work, but this is going to be drawn out. So they're anticipating growth, but slow and long. So there's a lot of positive here. Listen, thanks for being with me. Have yourself a great day. Hope you subscribe, and we'll talk to you later. Bye now.